Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin here, Global Account Manager for Lenovo. Quick update today on some Pico projector solutions that Lenovo has. So I got a few different options over the last couple months. I thought maybe this would bundle them all into one update here around projectors. So first one is a brand new projector that I have, Moto Mod, got delivered to me. It's part of, I got a new Moto Z phone, so if you have a Moto Z, you can use Moto Mods. The new Moto phone came with a free Moto Mod in the mail, so I just received this. So I thought it'd be a good time, crack it open, show everybody kind of how this works, and then also show a couple other projector solutions that Lenovo has. So without further ado, let's break this open. So let's see. Typical Hello Moto packaging here. This is the projector mod and the projector case, it looks like. Instruction manual. That's it. So let's open the case up first. Okay, Moto case and the Moto mod. So for those of you who aren't familiar, Motorola is owned by Lenovo, so try to support the other division of my company. We basically have three divisions at Lenovo. Original and primary, most of the revenue comes from our PC division called PCSD for personal computer and smart devices. The other division we have is DCG, which is our data center group. And then finally is MBG, which is our Motorola mobility group. So the Moto Mods and Motorola phones are part of our Moto mobility group. So this is the projector. Looks like it has a little stand here, but let's see how it works with the phones. So we'll, as you can see on the back of the phone, if you just carry it like this, there's no case or anything on the back. You can have different types of cases. This is the projector, so let's see how it snaps on. Okay, nice, comforting, tight grip. Doesn't look like it's gonna fall off. My Moto 360 watch just alerted me that I have a new Moto Mod attached, which is great. So let's open this thing up. Let's see, it says a new Moto Insta-Share projector. So let's see. Let's pass through some of these screens here. It's showtime, keep you in focus. Okay. Okay, got it. And got it. Okay, so let's see. Moto Mod is attached. It's got a little stand here, so if I pop stand this angle, a button here. It looks like turn on the projector, so let's push the button. Oh, it's projecting. Using the power from the screen, so there now I guess it's going to project everything that's on my screen. Looks pretty good. Let's try, let's go to YouTube, see what happens here. Try and play a video just so you guys can get a sense of how the videos look on this. So I'm going here to YouTube. Watched Mazda MP CX-3 video today, and let's see how it looks. So it's showing on my screen and playing here. Audio is just coming out of here, so turn it up a little bit. Looks clear, looks good, looks crystal clear, pretty good, projecting on the thing. So at a party or just want to show your friends quick video, here you go. So there you go, very easy to do. Projector on. Now let's turn off YouTube. So that was pretty slick. Just to, I know this is supposed to be focused mostly around projectors, but I have a couple other mods I want to show off. So this is the Insta-Share projector. This one here is a battery extender, so it doubles the life of the, and it also doubles the life of the phone, but it also has wireless charging built in. So you just snap that on, and there you go, battery life doubled and wireless charging available. So that's a pretty good one. We've got JBL speaker here. Again, snap it on. JBL speaker on, connected, and you're ready to jam out with some tunes. It's cool. And then finally, favorite for vacation time is the Hasselblad camera. As you can see, it looks just like a camera when you're carrying it. So it's a phone, it's a camera. What is it? So, oh, there we go. Okay, so now it takes a second, but I think the beauty of the Hasselblad is that it has the obviously not digital focus, but analog focus, so you can zoom to really a long ways away with the camera. So great. So I got through that. That wasn't the primary focus today around other Moto mods, but I thought as long as I had them and I was doing the projector, I'd show you a couple other ones. So moving on quickly to a couple other projectors I have here. So this is a Lenovo Tab 3 Pro. So this is our tablet, standard Android tablet. Works great, but as you can see, it has a projector built in. So you hit the button here, turn it on the side, and boom. Projecting anything that's on the screen. It has autofocus. I don't know how well this comes through on the video, but as you can see, it's very simple. Use it quite a bit for family events, checking a quick movie on the wall, or a quick grade check after dinner. It's great for having that for everybody in the family. So, and then finally, the last thing I want to show off, turn the power off on this one, is our X1 tablet. So the X1 tablet, this is a second gen. I don't know how many of you are familiar with this. It's great design. This is currently the design that's going away, but I thought as long as I had the projector, I'd take a quick look at that too. So you can take off the keyboard. It's got a slot here, projector for projecting the slots on the bottom. And then it comes with a variety of different mods you can put on the tablet too. So then you would just, this is the projector mod, there's a productivity mod, a bunch of other mods. So you just slide this on, lock it into place. Same idea, power it on. Losing my bearings here, okay, it's on the top. Here we go. Boot it up. And this has got a stand on the bottom, which is pretty slick. You just pop this out, pop out the stand, set up the projector, and away you go. So that another option for our tablets, you can pop in that stand. So basically that was all I wanted to get to today. Just show everybody a few of the different options we had. So again, we covered the Moto mod, the Insta-Share projector, the Tablet 3 Pro with the projector, and our X1 tablet with the projector. So that's it today. Quick update. Hope everybody enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another update from Lenovo. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.